In Microsoft Teams, create a channel to focus conversations on a topic, project, or department. By default, every team gets a general channel where you can share announcements and information the whole team needs. To create a new channel, select More Options, the 3 dots, next to the team, Add Channel. Enter a name and description, and then choose a privacy level. Select Automatically Show this channel in everyone's channel list to make this visible to everyone on the team. When you're done, select Add, and your channel appears in the team's channel list.